So sometimes you'll call up because you'll hear a noise when you start your car in the morning. It actually sounds like there's no oil in the car. In the older Subarus, the pistons were a little undersized and they would walk within the cylinder liner, and you would get kind of a knocking sound, a rattle noise. And then once the car warmed up, it would go away, kind of like the heat shield noise. In this case, I'm going to start this car so you can hear that noise, but then this noise gets a little more evident. So piston slap will give you that exact same sound, but it will go away. In the case of this engine, you can hear this deep-seated knocking, and that's a lower end rod. So this car is going to get a brand new engine.